I'm going out to celebrate our grandson's 17th birthday. Happy birthday, Marty! Okay, Better Homes and Jordan Beloved, I am getting ready to start cleaning this fish. Be with me, Lord. Be with me. And Jordan's Beloveds, my daughter brought this to me Saturday. It's Friday. She brought it to me Friday. Look at this. Look what I got to clean. Look at them. Mouth wide open. Look at that. And I'm getting ready to clean them. Look at that fish. They are mullets. And I haven't cleaned fish in years. But I do know how to clean fish. No, I do not go fishing. That's not my calling. That's not my hobby. But I have my area right here, my kitchen. I have this bag here, this paper towel, and this big old chopper knife. Getting ready to chop the heads off and gut them out and clean them and put them in the freezer. Y'all pray for me. Lord, I got to tackle these things. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Say hello to my little friends. Better Homes and Jordan Beloved, say hello to Elmo. He's ugly as hell. I'm sorry. Something with the mouth open. Wait a minute. Look at this one. Look at that. The elbow. Mouth wide open. Let me stop. Let me get started on this journey. Let's go back over here. It's looking okay. It's looking okay. I think I'm going to keep them. Yeah. I'm going to show you all the kitchen when I finish. I am not finished. I'm in the process of getting ready to clean these fish. And finish dinner. Don't say anything about the dining room. I definitely haven't done anything in there. Yeah, why don't y'all feel sorry for me and come help me clean Elmo them. Come help me clean this fish. Come on. Come on to my house. Comment below and tell me you're on your way. Oh, we got to clean this fish. Let me get started. Okay, Better Homes and Jordan Beloved, I am getting ready to start cleaning this fish. Be with me, Lord. Be with me. This is the first one. I'm not going to set the camera near it because I don't want anything splattering all over my camera. So I'm just going to show you the before and the afters. And what I did, added more water. Okay, Better Homes and Jordan's Beloveds, I've Lysol the counter down, cleaned up my mess from the fish. I know you're probably saying, that's not all that fish. No, it's not. I only cleaned 2. No. Cutting that fish head off? So, I'm waiting for somebody else to come finish cleaning my fish. I did too. I did good. I pat myself on the back. Yep, I did dang good. Ooh, Jesus, it's been a long time since I cleaned some fish. Scales flying everywhere, all in my eye, on my forehead, everywhere. We ain't doing this. But anyway, I'm about to end this video vlog for the day. I still have a mess over here to clean. Still got a mess over here to clean. So, me and my 2 fish that I clean. Yep, pat myself on the back. Yes, I do. Husband came down here with his New York City self. Yeah, I said New York City behind. I ran right on back upstairs. Y'all should have seen him. He's like, you got a skeleton. I got the camera moving. He said, you got to scale the fish too? I said, yeah, you can't eat it with the scale though. My baby's from New York, y'all. He's from New York. It was so funny. And then he looking at the scales popping everywhere. He ran right back upstairs. Lord help him. But I pray that you all have a blessed rest of your day. Yes, I end this vlog in love. Hello, beloveds. It's me again. I am upstairs in my den, and I have a few items that was delivered from Walmart that I want to share with you all. I have 4 pair of white 84-inch blackout curtain panels. They say they're white, but they actually look off-white because this pillow is white, but that is okay. It'll blend right in. And I have 2 pair of the 84-inch blue blackout curtain panel. 2 of those. I also have this. Let me turn the camera around. Look at this. Look, that's why I don't put this on my camera. Okay, I also have this 32 to 86 inch hang on ONN fixed TV wall mount for my TV in the bedroom. I'm getting ready to reset and redo my bedroom. So let's go over here. I have this back massager, and behind it I have a foot spa, and I'm getting ready to set these up. And I have some items over here. I'm going to take them out the box and put them together with you all. I'm behind the camera today. I am. Reason being, I do not feel my best, but I'm good. I'm good. My sinuses are literally aggravating me. So I'm going to blend this video in with another one. And I will properly greet you all with a blessed introduction. Alright, stay tuned. Hello, Better Homes and Jordans beloveds are at home with the Jordans. Today, I am stepping out. I'm going out to celebrate. I'm going out to celebrate our grandson's 17th birthday. Happy birthday, Marty! Happy birthday! I'll get some footage at the restaurant. We're taking him to Applebee's. Alrighty, I just want to show you all my attire. Stay tuned. Okay, Better Homes and Jordans beloveds. This is my grocery haul before the bad weather hits Georgia. have, if you see in my pantry, you can see in the pantry, I need to restock anyway. Bad. So we have some bad weather coming our way in Georgia starting tomorrow, Saturday. And I just did a Walmart grocery haul, a pickup. Yes. This would last us pretty much the remaining of this month, not longer. So let's pan around and go this way. You see that my water supply in the closet is out, and so we have some water over here, which we need to get more. I also want to share this haul with you all too. Let's go right here. More light. Look what I found on Walmart website. Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day dish soap. You see it? This is a 32. I think it's like $32 for this. It's 48 fluid ounces, and it's like 30. It's $32.99 online. Well, I got this for $9.99. Because I really want to change up. I have two of them, and I really want to change up my dish soap because the Palmolive that I'm using, the color has changed. It's a deep dark blue, which it was light blue and thick, and it's thinner now, so it's a lot of chemicals in it. And what I did when I saw this online on Walmart website, I purchased two, which I should have gotten five, at least five of them, but this would last me for a long time. And what I do is, you see this splash in my sink too, I'll fill my soap dispenser up with it. That's what we'll do. We'll fill the soap dispenser up. I showed you all my grocery haul. I did not just specifically say item by item. Didn't want to do that this time. That's so overrated for me now. For me, I just wanted to show you the grocery haul instead of just going by item, per item. Just say per item. You say no, I don't want to do all that. So this is what we have, and I'm going to use these beautiful bottles and put my health drinks in them. And so we're going to take this soap right here, Mrs. Meyer's Clean Dish Soap, and we're going to fill up my soap dispenser over here. Okay. That's it for this beautiful haul. And I will add this video in with another video. I will. I'm very curious how this smells. It has a lemon scent to it. I'm literally pleased with this purchase, but I wish I would have bought more. And maybe they're probably still on sale. So I'm going to go back online and see. But you better grab you some. Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day dish soap. It says refill. Who cares? That's what I'm getting ready to do. Refill my soap dispenser over here. So that's it for this vlog. That's it, Better Homes and Jordans beloveds. I want to share something before I end this. Look what I broke. It says imagine. It can be on the, it's double-sided. It can either go, let me show you, white or gold. I broke it, so I'm going to have to try to fix this, or either, look at it, purchase a new frame. It should have been on the wall. We've been here almost a year, and it just fell down. All right, better homes and Jordans, beloved. I'm going to end this vlog and just implement it in with a new vlog. Stay tuned. Okay, better homes and Jordans, beloveds. This is the finished results of my pantry. Still not fully stocked, but it'll do for now. It's a little dark up there. So what I can do, let me show you all. I can go up here and put one of those little touch lights up there. That's what we'll do. That's a project that we can do together. I have my little, all of my detox moringa, turmeric, the maca powder, all of that down there. And some more of it up here. This is something that I started drinking on last year with my health life coaching, with my life coaching and health center. That is it. I am finished with this haul. So, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time, be blessed.